Hi, hey, this is Hans, and this is
Maya.
And this is It's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from
Uncle Matt.
Yeah, this comes from my buddy Matt B. out of Port Townsend, Washington. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. The world's worst packing material, the peanut. I don't know about that. Alright, so what was in the box? This. Now, what's this? Let's put a plate down. This is something fascinating. This is... That's right, Mimi. This is ramen bread. And I think he did the trick this time. So, episode 1000 of Instant Noodle Recipe Time involved a loaf of bread made with seasoning and noodles from Marachon chicken flavor. This one is made with 8 sachets, so you can actually taste it. So, is anything else in here? I don't know. I think there may be. So, this is going to go straight up and get an episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, and you'll probably be seeing that in a month or two. So, check daily to see when the bread episode comes out. And yeah, this has been Hans, and this has been... This has been... Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. Have a good one.